Good morning everybody. Today is Monday the whatever day it is of December. I am just about to drive to my house, which sounds really weird. I need to, well, we bought an aloe vera plant and then we just keep forgetting to take it over, so I'm going to take that over, and then what I want to do is make a bit of a stock cupboard list and go to the supermarket. And my aloe vera plant's falling over. I'm going to go to a supermarket and grab a load of stock cupboard staples, because then it's just something that ends up taking up time that we're not going to want to do when we actually move in next weekend. And it's going to be run up to Christmas, the supermarket's going to be crazy busy, so I decided that the best thing to do would be to go and do it today, and then I can grab some bits for the week as well. I'm just going to grab some cheat food for this week because we don't want anything extra to have to bring with us next weekend, but also I'm working till like 6:30, 7, 7:30 every night this week, so I don't really want to have to be cooking anything major either. So yeah, I'm gonna head off now. It is 10:15. I'm hoping to be back to Newton at around about 1, 2 o'clock. You would have seen a couple of clips from last vlog of the house, but it was dark, so you didn't see very much. Most of it was just Winnie running around going a bit nuts. So when we get to the house, I will do a bit of an empty house tour. It's not big, so it won't take me long. So yeah, I'll see you at the house. Just got to the house, so I'll just show you a little bit around. Like I say, it's small, so there's not really that much to see. We have the kitchen area first, which is a little bit of a mess at the minute, just while we're getting ourselves sorted. So I'm super happy with this kitchen. Loads of storage space, my big larder that's ready to get filled with all my stock staples. This area here is where the fridge freezer will go. It's just a bin there at the minute. And then as we come in, this is all open plan then into the front living area. So I love the floor. It's like an Arctic oak or something it was called. And then in here we have bathroom, so just a nice neutral colour, white unit and everything, but the walls are all like this off-white, which probably wouldn't be our choice, but it's fine, it will do the job for now. So that's the bathroom. Then we have the spare room, which is a bit of a kind of dumping ground at the minute. So that's that one, and then the master bedroom in here, and that's it. So I call it a house. It is technically a house. It is a coach house, so we are above our garage and parking space. So it's basically like a flat, but on first level, but we're not attached to anybody, so it's great because we're completely detached, so that's really nice. So yeah, I'm just gonna have a route through my cookbooks now and make a bit of a list to go to Tesco, and then I'm gonna go to Tesco. I've just got back. It is 1:05. I don't even know where the time's gone, to be honest. I've got a bit of a stash going on. I'm just gonna leave those bits in the bag because I don't have time to like organise everything today, so I'm just gonna leave that. And then I've got a bag of stuff to come home with me. Had a little bit of a scare. So yesterday I picked up my mum's old car. She's got a newer car. And I picked that up yesterday. Now it's been on the drive for probably about 6-7 weeks. And it's old. It's like 13-14 years old. But of course it hasn't been driven, and when I tried to pull away at Tesco, I tried to turn the engine on and the car wouldn't start. So I had a minor panic inside and left it for like a minute, tried again, and then it was fine. So phew, thank goodness for that. I'm just hoping it's because it's been on the drive for a couple of months that it just, you know, needs a bit of warming up. So I'm hoping when I leave here that I can actually get home. I'm just having smoked carrot celebration on rye from Wicked. Their sandwiches are amazing. For anybody who has not tried the Wicked enchiladas, these are amazing. From the things that I've tried, and I've not tried that much of the new stuff, but these are the best meal that I've had from them so far. I absolutely love them and they're so filling. Some ready meals are a bit rubbish when it comes to that, but that's really good. And they also had the Pizza Express vegan pizza, so I was well excited about that. I got one of those. And they also had, and it's right down the bottom of the bag, so I'm not gonna get it out, but the Beyond Meat burger, which I know Reese has been like desperate to try for ages, so I picked up a packet of those. We'll probably have those for tea tonight, I think, unless Reese is out.